Tiny Tidy Tuesday, but it is going to be a mighty tiny in Jodis TV room. That's going down to the room, the other room, and we are going to tiny tidy this whole room. This is the TV room, and it is quite the challenge. Yeah. This big one. If that was recording, you didn't have to voice over that. Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon, and my channel is Sharon Shornagel. And I'd like to welcome any of my new subscribers and send a big YouTube hug out to my regulars. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you all. So this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it is a collaboration. And our hostess is Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, and there will be many other people in the Tiny Tidy list, and you will get lots of inspiration to get something done around your home. Jody and I have been doing lots of tiny tidies and mighty tidies, and her home is looking ship-shape, and we've worked in the yard too. Yay, Jody, Mum, Dad, and Brian. I just don't have the patience for any of this.
Who's at the cupboard?
Don't have patience for any of this. Patience is virtue that I don't have. Don't have patience for any of this. Christmas. Well, we did a lot of yard work the day before, so we're all kind of tired. But we're still pushing through, and you can hear the men in the background talking so often. And Jody's just getting stuff out of here, and we're going to organize as we go along. Anyhow, if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and give me a like if you like this content, and leave me a little hello so I know who's watching, and tell me what you tiny tidy today. Like I say, this is a mighty tidy. But boy, does it feel good when we get done. Did turn the camera on?
Yes, I sure did. If you look at the light is flashing.
Thank you.
So, you gotta take that back.
I did. I said, oh, thank you.
And this goes downstairs.
You're supposed to turn all the lights on. Make it less depressing in here. There, that's on.
Here's another pair of flowy pants, but
That's what Sharon said.
That's right.
Turn all the lights
do you want them? They're too long for me.
You all right? Sure. I'll probably wear them.
They
4 pairs. I have a little pile over here.
okay.
Sorry? What are those?
Okay, what's that? Garbage, garbage. Season's greetings. Oh, it's just housing stuff, but no, you
Okay.
can have it.
No,
When
will
we're
you
done.
keep it if you want to put stuff?
Well, we're just, no, it's not that I necessarily want to keep it, it's just I don't know where to put the stuff yet.
Jody,
Okay.
This is I don't know what to do with this carpet.
Why?
I'm just not sure where I'm going to do with it. Cushion insert.
What carpet?
This one? No, that red one.
Oh, that one.
Okay. That is Christmas stuff and the
Do you want
bows.
me to see if I can fit it in there better?
Well, yeah, there's lots that can go in there, like this, and this, that, and
This and see if I can organize it.
okay.
This is one of the many bins that we organized in her home. And now she can get to things and she'll know where they are, which is really nice. And there's my supervisor, Miss Goldie. That's Jodie's puppy. And she is 15. I call the other dogs. She's an old girl and a lovely, lovely dog. Okay, so I'm going to sort through this this bin, and I'm going to put some garbage out. I don't think there's anything we're going to delete, but we're just going to organize. Garbage.
So next is these cards where I'm going to say goodbye to these. Is this all garbage?
That's nice. It was probably supposed to be in your box. What is this? Okay, Troner, you're gonna have to leave.
Okay.
What's in here?
That's the first aid kit.
Okay, Band-Aids can go in there.
Yeah. I'll take that. Okay. And I'm just going to transfer it
What
into
about this?
And that can go to
Basement?
the thrift store. Is anything you see in the thrift store pile that you would like not to be thrift store pile? You have my permission to
well, it's out of sight, out of mind, right?
chat with me about it.
So,
Well, that's why I'm telling you. I'm gonna ask Brian if he wants those. I'm gonna say no.
What's that?
This is just must have been a mat bag.
That's what I was thinking. It's for
No,
that.
one of my carpets came in it.
Yeah.
So that, do you want
keep
it?
No,
I don't want it.
want it.
I'll see if Brian wants
Okay.
those. Do you want these?
Well, this is the second bin we're going through, and a lot of the stuff in this bin got donated either to the thrift store or I'm taking it home and donating it places where I live. Okay, so we're gonna get this bin emptied out. Didn't take too long. It's all nice and empty, and now we've got 2 clean bins to put stuff in.
Bins empty out of here until we decide what's going in them.
Yeah, that's true.
This is all. I feel bad getting rid of this.
You want this?
Yep. I'm gonna keep that.
Out of this.
Keeping that.
Okay.
That's from
Everything
Vanessa.
on
That
here.
might be yours. Is that yours or mine? Does it say Jody or Sharon? You can't tell. Jody. I think yours is blue.
Excuse my clearing my throat and coughing. I think I'm having a reaction to the beautiful lilacs.
Show us working.
I'm so
So it can
sorry
show
because
us
I love
working.
lilacs in my home.
How about that?
Anyhow, excuse
We're getting
my
there.
coughing and clearing my throat. So now we'll just get on with this video and get this room done.
And if you really wanted it, you'd have been asking for it. So, kitchen garbage bags. This stuff will all eventually end up in the closet. So, we should see if that fits the pot that we have.
I was going to take this.
You can take it, yep. So, some of those boxes, garbage. What's this? It's a bag.
What's this?
Looks like it's that t-shirt I thought I donated to the thrift store that says life's good. You want it?
Sure.
You can have it.
Sure. Yeah, I'll look at
Yoke. It's all yours.
it. I'll wear that.
That's a nice little gift bag.
This is a bunch of flowers.
You can take it if you want.
Yeah.
You can have it.
Oh, a bunch of those. No, mine are fine. That
Yeah,
little
you can-
box.
yeah, that is got a little plate, so once you find the little plate, it matches.
More goodies for me. It's a mighty tidy.
It's a mighty tidy. Okay, so. Okay.
What's this stuff here?
That might be for the thrift store. It's a pretty good chance it is. That's good. Yeah, that could go to the thrift store. Unless you want those little pegs for
Yeah,
crafts. Oh, that's another first aid kit. That's my first aid stuff.
Okay. I'll take this for
I can
crafts.
organize our first aid kits.
I'll take this for crafts.
More first aid. That basket I'll keep.
Yeah, I was just gonna bring that stuff out
Yeah.
and maybe fold all the blankets up.
Well, it's not really blankets. It's my yoga stuff.
Oh, it's your yoga stuff.
Which is fine.
Okay.
You can do that. I have more blankets
Back
first.
there.
I gotta vacuum this
Oh.
first.
Oh, this is a. Ooh. What does this do?
You lay on it.
I don't know.
You lay on it.
What I'm showing you here is a thing that you lay on, Jody said, and it's all little pricklies. And so you lay on that, I guess, on your back, and it's supposed to help circulation. Jody got out her new vacuum cleaner. It's a Dyson, and it's very, very nice. And she's vacuuming up some of the dust from the corners. And so we're just going to continue on getting this room organized. She also uses this room to do her yoga in. So we got to get this done so she can get her yoga started again.
And this is, you know what this is for?
Does it massage?
It's supposed to be like a pressure point thing.
Oh, yeah. goes right under there, and it gives pressure point. And it feels so good.
Dead? Who's freaking...
And
must
another
be dead.
bin to sort.
This is an old bin that's been in here a while.
Well, this is bin number 3. We're doing good. And I'd like to remind you to subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much. Well, the weather hasn't been too great. We kind of did the yard work in between rains, as I said in that video. And today it's rainy and cloudy out, kind of dull looking. So we thought, well, let's get this room done. So that's what we're working on. And I'm very, very proud of us. We did a great job getting it all done.
Here's a little tape measure. Those are thank you cards. Did we get rid of that card bin? Nope. There we go. Do you want that?
Yep.
Oh, from Pat. Manuals, and I'm pretty sure these drawers are done. Yeah, they are. Okay.
What about the books underneath?
Yeah, those I want to get out on the bookshelf
Okay.
out there. And this is a one-way.
Lunch containers? Why doesn't? That's what Idris should have had with him.
And this can go in the garbage. I'm not going to use it.
I'll take them in case God might.
Okay, good. So then if we take these, and we just stack them in here, then they're in a drawer. Block, elastics, and I think that's it.
Yeah. Oh, your strap.
And the strap can go in there. And then the blanket, since the yoga blanket can go in there. Actually, I'll probably put this little mat thing in there too.
Yeah.
As well.
That'll fit it there.
There we go. And then this garbage can. That right here.
Where the bolts?
And
Move
then,
it, move it.
I don't know where Buddha's gonna go right yet, but we can go over there somewhere for now. And what's on the bottom of it? It's sticky. Probably Nana's nail polish.
And his nails.
Okay. So if we move this over here.
Okay, I did my nails. And I got a flower on that one, little diamonds on that one, and a bow on that one. And the same on this hand. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And we've got the TV room all tidied up. And it looks great. Just gonna show you. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for doing this collaboration every week with us. And the TV is set back in the room. And the room. And here's a before and after shot. We'll see you in my next video, DIY Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.